Radioactivity sounds complicated, but it's all around us. It's a natural process happening within atoms. Atoms are like tiny building blocks. They make up everything we see and touch. Radioactivity happens when these atoms release energy. This energy travels as waves or particles. We call this radiation. It's like a tiny burst of energy from the atom. Imagine a firework. It explodes and releases light and sound. Radioactivity is similar, but on a much smaller scale. Don't worry though, not all radiation is bad. To understand radioactivity, we need to look inside an atom. Atoms are incredibly small. Imagine a grain of sand. Now imagine something millions of times smaller. Atoms have a center called the nucleus. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge. Whizzing around the nucleus are electrons. Electrons are even tinier than protons and neutrons. They have a negative charge. Now let's talk about isotopes. Isotopes are like cousins of atoms. They're the same element but with a slightly different weight. Remember neutrons in the nucleus? Isotopes have the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons. Sometimes the nucleus of an isotope isn't stable. It wants to become more stable, so it releases energy in the form of radiation. This process is called radioactive decay. Think of it like a spinning plate. If the plate is balanced, it spins smoothly. But if it's off balance, it wobbles and might fall off. Radioactive decay is like the plate trying to find its balance again. There are different types of radiation, each with unique properties. The most common types are alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. Alpha radiation is like a heavy bowling ball. Beta is lighter, like a tennis ball. Gamma is pure energy, like a beam of light. Radioactivity has many uses. In medicine, it helps diagnose and treat diseases. It powers some spacecraft. Archaeologists use it to date ancient artifacts. Of course, radioactivity also has dangers. High doses of radiation can be harmful to living things. That's why it's important to handle radioactive materials with care. Radioactivity might seem mysterious, but it's a natural part of our universe. Understanding it helps us appreciate the wonders of science and use its power responsibly.